Today, we're turning a simple organza ribbon into this beautiful bow. Let me show you step by step how I made it without sewing. We'll be using an organza ribbon that is 6 cm wide, and this piece, it's about 28 cm long. Fold the ribbon in half and mark the center point. This will be our reference point for shaping the bow. We're now ready to shape the bow by forming the loops. Next, I'll show you how to fold the ribbon and shape it into a beautiful bow. There, our bow is taking shape nicely. Since this is a no-sew tutorial, I'll use a cotton thread to secure the center. Next, let's add the tail. I'm using a 30 cm long piece of organza ribbon. We'll repeat the same process, fold the ribbon in half, mark the center, then fold and shape it. When it's ready, let's attach it to the bow. Now for the centerpiece, I'm using a piece of organza ribbon as well. The bow is complete. Let's secure it to a hair clip. When applying the glue, avoid attaching the top ribbon to the back. This allows the loops to stay lifted and have a fuller appearance. And finally, we'll shape the ribbon ends. And we will heat seal the ribbon ends to prevent fraying. Be extra careful as organza ribbon can burn very quickly when exposed to too much heat. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY bow tutorials. See you again next time!
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft